If you receive your Egoli gas bill, and it has a higher consumption charge than what you usually get, follow these checks. Switch off all gas appliances and close all gas shut-off valves, including any pilot flames on water boilers or geysers. Then monitor your gas meter for changes. Movement on the red dials indicates a leak on the line. If there is a leak on the gas line, we recommend you contact any approved gas contractors. Visit www.saqccgas.co.za for a list of approved contractors. Keep in mind when using your gas: a blue burning flame indicates complete combustion, and an orange burning flame indicates incomplete combustion.